The Alberta government reporting a decrease in opioid deaths between March and April of this year after a deadly record 2023 for opioid overdoses in the province. Doctors in Alberta tell me while it's good news, it's not a trend yet, but what's behind the decrease?
And we are still seeing ups and downs of it. So, for example, we are seeing a decrease in overall quantities of carfentanil, for example. So that's an important trend that we have not seen as much.
Addiction specialist Dr. Monty Gosh tells me that a somewhat less toxic drug supply is in part behind a decrease in opioid deaths this spring. That's based on police seizures, wastewater data, and drug testing. The Ministry of Mental Health and Addiction saying that between March and April of this year, there was a 27% decrease in the number of opioid-related deaths, with only 90 in April compared to 123 in March. Dr. Gosh says while the numbers are encouraging, it's only a month of data.
We don't know how long this trend will last. We've seen previous situations in which things were looking that seemed like they were going the right direction, but then pivoted and became worse. And it goes to show that we need to stay vigilant with what the situation is.
Dr. Gosh also notes while Edmonton and Calgary saw decreases, smaller cities like Lethbridge and Red Deer saw spikes in deaths. The latter, Dr. Gosh attributes to the closing of a supervised consumption site earlier this year. The Alberta Ministry of Mental Health and Addictions telling me in a statement Wednesday they'll be investing in long-term recovery in the province, saying in part, quote, "We are building 11 recovery communities across the province, providing more Albertans a place to receive long-term treatment at no cost, with 2 of these already online and 2 more opening this year. We are giving Albertans an opportunity to rebuild their lives and reconnect with their family, community, and culture." Reporting from Edmonton, Darcy Ropchan, City News.